In the city, they even offer internships.
So at Case for Kids, we're trying to help kids prepare for the future. They're learning all these great things in their after-school program, they're developing skills, but what do they do with it? And so today is a day to make those connections. We're here at the University of Houston. They get to see real hands-on experiences and trainings from folks that can share what career paths are available to them.
He showed me one of his friends and he's like, hey man, he's a surgical technologist. I was like, I've never heard about this.
You can limit your expenses. So the way I went to college, the way I looked at it was, this is my job.
Your own recipe, just like the rocket scientists do. They have to figure out how much fuel to give the rocket.
What to go to school for and how much to make. A lot of y'all didn't know.
Today I learned how to cut a beard and we got to like braid too. It was really fun on the mannequins.
Today has prepared me a lot for the future. It opened my eye to new things that I can do.
Let me know, ask questions.
The professionals that are here to share their excitement and passion about their careers, what a great opportunity so that they know all the different ways they can apply the skills and learning that they're getting in their after-school program.